Namaste students. Students, I have started the fraction lesson. Some points I have finished. Types of fractions. Then what are the types of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, then mixed fraction, unit fraction, like fractions. Okay, these fractions you have already learned with the definition, with the examples, and then so how to shaded parts are there in the proper fraction and improper fraction, and then converting the improper fractions to proper improper fractions to mixed fractions to improper fraction. So all these concepts you have to learn. Guruji, how to compare the fractions? What are the rules we have apply? So which fraction is greater, which fraction is smaller? So how to find out? So this is a one question. Okay. So now that concept today we have to discuss. So which one? So comparison or ordering of fractional numbers. Ordering means we can write into ascending order or descending order. So when we write in ascending order, descending order, so ascending order means small to big. Which fraction is smaller? Which fraction is greater? How it is that? So we have some, I'm already told, like fractions, unlike fractions. Okay, taken the like fractions when the denominators are same, when the numerators are same. So what we do? So okay, in the third standard, only comparison of numbers. So when the if it is numerator are same, if it is denominators are same. Okay, after the fourth standard, so fourth standard we can go for fourth standard. Denominators are different will be given, numerators are different will be given. So that type of questions will be asking for fourth standard. But in the third standard only, numerators are same, or if it is denominators are same. Okay, keep in the mind. So I will tell one small rules. So we have rules, we have applied the using the rules, then find out the which fraction is greater, which fraction is smaller. Okay, so now here, when the look at the question, so look at the rule. When the numerator is same, when the numerator is same, both the numerators are same, then the fractional number, what is the fraction, which fractional number that has so that has smaller denominator is greater, smaller denominator is greater. Check that. So look at that. So I will give the examples. Okay, 7 by 4, 7 by 5, one example. Second one, 2 by 9. Okay, uh, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So taken another one example. Third one, 11 by 4, 11 by 9, 11 by 9. Fourth one, 6 by 14, 6 by 9, 6 by 9. So look at that examples. These are the examples. So when the numerator is same, numerator same iddaga 7 7, 2 2, 11 11, 6 6. When the numerator is same, what we do? Then the fractional number, ಆ fractional number ಅಲ್ಲಿ that has a smaller denominator is greater. The smaller denominator, check the denominators places, check the denominator places, which is a smaller denominator is greater, which is a smaller denominator is greater. Yeah, the smaller denominator 4 or 5 or 4. Yes, this is the greater fraction. 7 by 4 is the greater fraction. Smaller is what? 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Let me go for the second one example. When the numerators are same, when the fractional number, then the fractional number that has smaller denominator, 9 and 5, check that, 9 and 5. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller. Greater is what? 9 is a greater. So smaller is, it is the greater fraction. 2 by 5 is a greater fraction. 2 by 5 is a greater fraction. This is a smaller. This is a small. That is small confusion will be start. Guruji, the numbers are very different. Denominator we can, so when the numerator is same, check the denominator. Checking the which is a smaller numerator, which is a smaller denominator is greater. Now, so 11 by 4 and 11 by 9, the numbers are there. So check that smaller denominator is greater. Smaller denominator is what? 4. Smaller denominator is 4. This is the greater fraction. Smaller is 11 by 9. Next, 6 by 14. 6 by 9. 6 by 9. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? 6 by 9 is the greater because smaller denominator is 9. Compare the denominator. So here 6 by 14 is a smaller. This is the example. Now it is small different when the numerator is same. So we can do this rule. So now when the denominator is same, when the denominator is same, then the fractional number that has greater numerator is greater. It'll no problem. So we can easily we have to find out which is the greater numerator is greater. But here smaller denominator is greater. That is the changes. Okay, some examples we can go for some examples. Let me write. Look at the question. Look at that here. Take the one example. First one. Examples 3 by 15, 9 by 15, 9 by 15. Second one example 7 by 10, 15 by 10, 15 by 10. Next one, third one 4 by 19, 10 by 19, 10 by 19. So this which one? So look at that. The third, fourth one option 3 by 5, 8. Wait here 9 by 5. We can take it 9 by 5. 11 by 5. So here 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So check that. So compare the denominators are same. Denominator same. Then the fractional number that has greater numerator is greater. Check the greater numerator. That is a greater fraction. So okay. So here 3 by 15, 9 by 15. Which one is greater? 9 by 15 is a greater. Okay. 3 by 15 is smaller. Next, second one, 7 by 10, 15 by 10. Which one is greater? Yes, 15 by 10 is the greater, 7 by 10 is the smaller. Next, 4 by 19, 10 by 19. So which one is greater? So 19 denominators are same. The small greater numerator is greater. So greater numerator is what? 10. 10 is the greater. Okay. Next, 11 by 5, 8 by 5. Which one is greater? Yes. 11 by 5 is the greater, 8 by 5 is the smaller. So these are the examples. So using these examples, so keep in the mind, so you have to write the 2 or 3 times you have to write the rule. You have to understand easily. Okay, Guruji, so we can compare the numerator is same. When the numerator is the same, compare the denominator. Denominator, which one is smaller? That is the greater. When the denominators are same, compare the numerator. Greater numerator is greater. So keep the mind. These are the concepts. Okay. So now using these concepts, write in ascending order, descending order. Okay. Check one more. On two examples I will go that. So after that I will go for addition and subtraction. It is very easy. Students. Now look at that. So using the two rules, then we can arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. So it is very, very easy. So first, which are the, when the numerator are same, when the denominators are same, first we have to check it. So after that we have to apply the rule. Okay. First, look at the question. Denominators are same. Denominators are same. When the denominators are same, the greater numerator is greater. The greater numerator is greater. Which is the greater numerator? Yes, 5 by 6. This is the greater fraction. So we arranged in small to big. Ascending order means small to big. So which one taken first? Yes, 1 by 6. Next 2 by 6. Next 3 by 6. Next 4 by 6. Next 5 by 6. Over. Ascending order, descending order, over. Ascending order to over. So now, when the numerators are same, when the numerators are same, numerator same ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The smaller denominator is greater. The smaller denominator is greater. Which is a smaller denominator? Yes, this is a smaller denominator. This is a greater. This is a greater. Is it right? Yes, this is a greater. When we can ascending order means small to big. Small to big. So we can take greater numerator. Which is the greater numerator? This 9 by 16. This is the smaller fraction. So let me write it. 9 by 16. 9 by 16. Next, after that, 9 by 13. Next, 9 by 5. Next, 9 by 4. Finally, 9 by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. So keep the mind when the denominators are same. So when the numerators are same, we can take to smaller denominator is greater. Next, look at the descending order. So it is okay. One denominators are same, another one is numerator same. Okay. So when the denominators are same, the greater numerator is greater. Which is the greater numerator here? Greater numerator is what? So 5 by 7 is the greater. Greater. It is the greater. So smaller, which one is? Yes, this is the smaller. We can write it. 1 by 7. 2 by 7. Next 3 by 7. 4 by 7. Next 5 by 7. Over. So ascending order over. Next, when the numerators are same. When the numerators are same. So the smaller denominator is greater. Check the smaller denominator. Which one is smaller denominator? 11 by 2. Yes, very good. 11 by 2. So this is the greater. This is the greater. Which one is smaller? Yes. Which one is smaller? 11 by 17 is smaller because greater denominator is, smaller denominator is greater. So 11 by 17 is the smaller. So now arranged in ascending order. Descending order. Descending order. Now write in 11 by 17. Next 11 by 15. 11 by 7. Next 11 by 6. Okay. 11 by 6. 11 by 2. Finally 11 by 2. So these are the answers. Okay. All of you students, I hope all of you understand this concept. So rules has to be written 2 or 3 times. You have to write in the HW. So we have easily understand. So after that, you understand the exercise part. So exercise 6F. Exercise 6F. Page number 76. Page number 76. Compare the compare the smallest number, greatest number, and arrange it in ascending order, descending order. Write in HW. Now I will go for addition and subtraction. Is very easy. So addition and subtraction is very easy. Shall we go for addition and subtraction? So here in the addition part, fractions. What about in third standard means? Third standard, only denominators are same. Only denominators are same. So different denominators will be given in fourth standard. Keep in the mind. Guruji, different denominator kotta again madbeko. Don't worry. So in the third standard, don't ask different denominators addition. Okay. So here asking only same denominators means like fractions will be given. Okay. So look at that. Here we can, the denominators are same. We should write this denominator as it is. Only numerator adding. Only numerators adding. So now I will go for one example. Okay. Addition. 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. 1 by 7, 3 by 7. Taken that 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7 equal to, first we have to write the denominator. 3 plus 1, 4. The 4 by 7. It is enough. 4 by 7. Only numerators add. Denominator as it is, we should write it. Keep the mind. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. 4 by, so let me take on, don't take on the 4 by 2, 5 by 2. Yes, so take on the all the numbers. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So denominator is same, so we should write 2. Adding the numerators, 1 plus 1 3, sorry 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. This is the answer. Shall we go for one more example? So third one, 3 by 17, 6 by 17 and 4 by 17. 4 by 17. Don't think about denominator. So you have to think that is a like fraction. We should write as it is. Okay. Guruji, denominator ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? No. Don't worry. So 17 is the value is same. It is cannot change. Only numerators adding. So like take on the numbers 3 by 17 plus 6 by 17 plus 4 by 17. Take on that 17. Denominator is same. Is equal to ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Denominator as it is ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. First numerators adding. ಎಲ್ಲ numerators add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. That is the answer. Okay, so all of you understand the addition. Okay, so this is the addition concept. ಎಷ್ಟನ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಗುರುಜಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕೊಡೋದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. This is also very simple. Subtraction also very simple. Take on the question. Okay, so 13 by 3 from 20 by 3. 20 by 3. The denominator, which one is bigger? 20 is the bigger. We can take first. ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ? 20 ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 20 by 3 minus 13 by 3. Denominator as it is ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is cannot be changed. Subtract only numerators. 20 minus 13, 20 minus 13, 7. This is the answer. Is enough. Next, so 15 by 7 from 25 by 7. So which one is greater numerator? 25. We can take first 25 7 minus. After that, we can take to 15 by 7. Subtract it now. 25 minus 15, we have get 10 by 7. Denominator is as it is same. It is cannot be changed. It does not change. So only numerator, because we can subtract only numerators. Now, so look at that. 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. How to subtract? Taken first greater numerator is what? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now subtract it. 3 less 1, 2 by 4 as it is denominator. First we should write the denominator, and then after we have to subtract the numerators, write the numerator value. Perfect. So answer of the numerator value. So this is the addition and subtraction of fractions, and then comparing the fractions using the rule, and write the ascending order and descending order of the fractions. So now this is the fractions chapter. I will complete the fraction chapter. So your homework is exercise 6F and 6G. Okay, exercise 6F and exercise 6G. So all the problems are very easy. Addition, subtraction, very easy. One time solved in first without dashes. So first main exercise 6F solved in textbook and one time write in the HW. Then exercise 6G first main, second main write in textbook, third main, fourth main write in HW. Keep the mind. Okay, I will send the photo in the work group. So which main you have to write in CW, which main you have write in the textbook, I will send into the group. So okay, look at that homework, complete it, fraction chapter will be over. So okay, so this is periodic test 3. I will give division fraction chapter. Then I have to go for geometry concept, I have to take on also. Okay, let me finish that geometry concept. So next class I will finish the geometry. So next class I will take the geometry lesson. Okay students, dhanyavad, watch the video and complete your work. Dhanyavad.